KFI winch mount and a 4,500 pound winch with synthetic rope. So this is everything that came in the kit with the winch. The remote switch, another switch, solenoid, boots, hardware. Here's the plug for the remote right here. Fair lead, fuse, all your heavy gauge wiring from your winch to your solenoid, and then solenoid to battery. So there's going to be 6 T30 Torx bits in there to get the skid plate off the front. Let's get started. So there's the mounting bracket right there. It's just like a plate here. And it says to leave everything loose, which makes sense because when you put your winch in, you can wiggle it around and slide your winch in from this side without taking out the bumper. Plenty of room there. Alright, so I'll show you where I'm at now. I got this all mounted solid. And I just realized that I can actually throw my tow hooks or my ratchet straps down here to tie down to the trailer, because there's not much room left up here on the frame. Anyway, so these wires are going to go from the winch to the solenoid. So I figured the best way to do this, which is probably what everyone's going to do, is follow this bar up here that's connected to the frame. Got the wires chased up through here, and I'm trying to stay clear of all the other shit that's in the way, like the wire that goes to your headlight bulb. Stay right under that. I'm just going to follow the frame all the way up in behind this dash panel here. And these are 5mm and then 10mm bolts. There's one of them, and I think there's 4. I'll get this off and then we'll try to figure out the rest of the wiring and see if we can't get this winch to work. So the winch kit came with this 6-gauge battery wire, which is too small to attach to the stud on the battery post. The only thing I could find that would fit a little better is these 4-gauge lugs here, I guess. So I'm gonna have to cut this, crimp these on and solder them with some new heat shrink. Alright, here's the final product. You can't really tell because I got electrical tape and the only color I had was black, but I got my nice leads on there now. And then of course the other end, you'll definitely be able to tell what goes where. So I'm cool with that. Next thing I gotta do is just tap into the ignition wire and go from there. Alright, so I'll show you where I mounted the solenoid. Right up in here. And I went actually through the glove box. Alright, everything's connected now. Got the ignition wire tapped right there. The fuse tapped into the ignition wire here. The solenoid all wired up. Batteries wired up, but the glove box is all wired up. So. And this is really what I'm looking for. Turn the key off. And well, I left the little rocker switch that you can mount on your dash. I left that hidden because I wanted to get something a little smaller and utilize those where you can pop rocker switches through and use that. Hopefully it helps. If you got any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer you best I can. Thanks.